Alright, hey guys, so I just did my raw cacao tasting video and I got these seeds and I was looking online like you gotta ferment them and then you gotta roast them and stuff, so I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna see what it's like. I just put 4 of them in a smoothie here. This is like a pretty normal smoothie I make. I just got some coconut water. This is a brand that's actually 100% raw, and then put the 4 beans and I'm gonna put blueberries in there, and I did put some raw maca powder in there. Okay, and this is my vacuum blender. I ordered this from John Kohler's website. I had the Vitamix already and I just got the top for it. Yeah, so suck the air out of this thing. So we'll see, because if I could just like freeze these and put these in the ice cream, maybe that'll be good. Like, why should I have to process it? Maybe you do. Sometimes this takes longer because there we go. When it's green, you're good. All right, let's see if this is any good. Smells like a smoothie. Wow, it tastes really, really good. Wow. And there's a little bit of the flavor still that's on the outside of the cocoa bean, but it's like a slight buttery kind of chocolatey flavor. Yeah, I guess if there's like a reason you're not supposed to eat these raw, I mean, let me know in the comments, but why not just eat them raw? Maybe it's hard to digest or something? Guess I'll find out. I'm gonna make some crazy banana ice cream. Now I'm gonna have actual cocoa beans. I've got some soursop, and I'll have bananas and blueberry. I'm gonna make some crazy stuff. Honestly, I'm surprised I put 4 of those beans. Wait, no, I'm sorry. So I looked up a recipe online and it said like to do 2 tablespoons of cocoa nibs. It's the same thing, cacao and cocoa. It's just people just started saying cocoa. It's funny, like how did we start calling Deutschland Germany or España Spain? Like why don't we just call it España? Anyway, that's a topic for another video. I'm surprised. So one of those beans was like really bitter. It like you're eating the darkest chocolate ever. And I put 8 of those beans in, so about 4 beans filled a tablespoon. The recipe called for 2 tablespoons, so I put 8 beans in, and it's a mild chocolate flavor. I was afraid that it would be overpowering, but in hindsight, I could have almost put more in. Although I'm worried. It's 7:30, and I don't want to be up all night. Although I've got a couple of my friends coming over, and we're gonna jam. So this might be exactly what I want to drink. We'll see. I usually don't like caffeine, so we'll see if theobromine is like better. I don't know. I mean, this is like raw, like from nature. I mean, if you're gonna do it, this is probably the way to go, man. It's really good. Also, my bananas are like fair trade, organic. They're ready to go, you know, like it's amazing how much better bananas are in a smoothie when they're ripe, because before they're ripe, if they're a little astringent still, the smoothie's thicker and it doesn't digest very well. Wow, this is really, really good. Oh yeah. So coconut water, banana, and actual seeds from the cacao. This is something I could get down on. I bet this is gonna be great ice cream. I don't see why you would want to process these at all. They taste like chocolate already. Why are you going through all this? There's got to be a reason. Oh, that's a friend. I gotta go get the door. Hello. How you doing?
This comedian. I heard this one. He's like,
yeah, that would.
Nothing to it.
I was filming a video.
I bet you were. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Getting weird in the kitchen, man.
Yeah. So this is an actual cacao.
For real? That's what it looks like.
And you like suck the fruit off the beans, and then you can ferment these and roast them.
Those are real cacao beans.
But I ate one and it just tastes like dark. Yeah, it tastes like dark chocolate.
Yeah.
So I just decided I would just put some in a smoothie.
Sweet. I think. I texted Collins, told him.
Well, he's waiting for DJ, I think. Yeah. You want to try some?
Sure. What else is in this?
So it's coconut water. There's 2 tablespoons of these, and then a bunch of bananas and blueberries. It's not bad, huh?
No.
What's crazy is that it doesn't taste that chocolatey.
I taste way more of the blueberry and banana.
But when you eat one of these beans, like just straight up, it's tastes like you
super dark,
like
chocolate.
You're eating dark chocolate.
Exactly.
But I think just in the mix of everything.
I've made a lot of smoothies before, Sometimes like I put so much stuff in them that it almost, I think it's probably the variety things that's not great, 'cause sometimes they haven't sat well in my stomach, but I think that's why I'm putting like 10 things in there.
I used to do that. I used to make some crazy smoothies.
Yeah, just a bunch of different stuff. I just pound them. Sometimes they don't like sit well together.
Well, there's like food combining is a
Yeah,
thing.
you did that post on that.
Yeah, it's really important. Yeah, so. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.
Oh my god. Oh no! It's recording.
Yeah. This is my buddy Phil here. He tried the smoothie. He thought it was good
I
too.
don't consent to any of this.
So, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.
You can't put that part in there.
What are you talking about, Phil?
Where's the stopwatch?
Care to say? All right. Okay. No, I'm not gonna have it. All right, hey guys, I just want to do an update. So yeah, I made that smoothie with the cacao seeds, and I haven't had any substance like caffeine or alcohol for probably like 18 months, and I definitely felt like a well-being. I had some friends over to jam, and it was really fun. I was feeling kind of like goofy and stuff, and like I had one smoothie, and I really like wanted another smoothie, and it was like I feel like it was more than just hunger. So I feel like my body like really wanted more of that theobromine or something. I don't know why anyone would ferment it and roast it. You can just put the beans in a smoothie. I feel great. It's digested really well. I felt really great. If you're looking to have a little fun, I'm like super sensitive to substances because I'm like super clean. So yeah, if you eat chocolate, you might maybe don't feel anything. But yeah, I felt like really good. So maybe something I do every once in a while when I'm trying to party. I didn't feel like jittery or anything like that. I just felt really like good. A general sense of well-being. So something to try. God, it was so good in the smoothie. Yeah, so I just did raw coconut water, a bunch of bananas, perfectly ripened bananas. So like the brown, more brown, and then blueberries. And I was out of frozen blueberries, so I used fresh organic blueberries. So the second smoothie I made wasn't as cold, but was still really good. Oh yeah, and I put maca powder in it just because maca powder I feel like is kind of sweet, like a sweeter thing. I just put like a teaspoon in that. So I did 2 tablespoons of cocoa beans, which ended up being like about 8 beans in each smoothie. Really good, like, God, why would you ferment it and roast it when it's perfectly good? There must be a reason why people do it. I think it tasted amazing. It wasn't overpowering in the smoothie. Granted, it was 8 beans and a big, I don't know how many bananas I put in there, maybe 12 bananas. Definitely, I would recommend trying it. I was kind of a little bummed. I was like, oh, I don't want to have to do all this processing of these beans, but yeah, it was really good just in the smoothie like that. So I'm definitely gonna try it. I froze them and I'm gonna put them in my banana ice cream and it's gonna be good. Alright, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Alright, see ya.